Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the security tricks on the REALME Neo7. Okay, so let's begin. First up, we want to open up our settings. Now let's scroll down a little bit until we find security and privacy. And now let's begin with setting up our screen lock. So in here we have three types of password. We can set the numeric, alphanumeric, or the pattern. I'm gonna show you an example of the pattern. Now let's wait 5 seconds until we will be able to continue. And remember about it when you will set up your screen lock. Please remember it, otherwise if you forget it, you won't be able to unlock your phone and you will be forced to reset it. And probably to lose all of your data if you don't have a backup. Okay, so now simply draw your pattern, remember it, and you're good to go. Also, the phone wants us to turn on fingerprint automatically. We can click on enable. I'm gonna show you how this works. Click on add now. And now we need to place our finger inside of that sensor, which is that circle right in here. And when we will feel a little vibration under our finger, we need to lift it up and then place again. Okay, now let's lift and let's place again. And we need to repeat that process until we fulfill this sensor above. It's gonna take a few tries, so be patient and keep repeating. Okay, we are getting close. I think we are about to finish. All right, as you can see, fingerprint has been added. You can click on that, or if you want, you can add another. Okay, we can also add the face. Click on add now. And now all you need to do is to place your face inside of that frame and then simply follow the instruction on the screen. All right. Now we have the app security below. We can click on that, click on Google Play Protect, and here we can perform a quick scan. So let's wait until it's finished and we will see if there is something to do. Okay, as you can see, no harmful apps found. So that's good to hear. Okay, below I have shown you the device unlock, but also in here we have something called the theft protection. In here you can enable the theft detection lock and offline device lock. So the theft detection lock does that if the screen will be locked if this setting detects that someone took your device and ran away. And the offline device lock does that if the screen will lock shortly after your device goes offline to help protect your data. We can also remotely secure our device. You can click on remote lock. As you can see, it's enabled right in here. But as you can see, remote lock won't work without a valid SIM card or eSIM. So have that in mind. And here you can read how this works. Okay, and the last thing in here is the find and erase your device. You can enable it right in here to use find my device. And you can use it through the app or through the website. You can also read in here that if you lose this device or any connected fastware accessories, you can use find my device to locate them. If you want to read more, click right in here. All right, now we have the account security. Click on Google Security Checkup. And as you can see, we don't need to perform any action because everything is fine. Okay, then the password checkup. Currently, we don't have compromised passwords. Passwords are unique and passwords are strong. So always remember to set strong passwords that you will be able to remember and avoid repeating the same passwords. That's pretty important. Now we have the password checkup. That was the last thing that I have shown you. I have shown you the device finders. Now let's go into the system and update and let's check if there are some security updates. It is good to check from time to time if there are some possible updates. simply click on this blue button and check for update. And if there will be any possible updates to download, simply click on install. There will be a button right in here, and then simply follow the installation process. Okay, next thing is the Google Play system update. And also in here I don't have any available updates, but if you will have some available, simply install them. Okay, now we can go into privacy controls, and below we can disable to show the passwords. So now it won't display characters briefly as we type. So, you know, if you are afraid that someone will see the moment when you are typing your password, you can unselect this option, and basically he won't see what letters are you typing currently. Okay, now we have more security and privacy. But in here we don't need to. But also if you want, we can read everything that you want right in here. Okay, now we have these special features. We have something called the app lock. We need to verify using our fingerprint or the privacy password. And now we need to enter privacy password. If you are enabling this option for the first time, the phone will want you to set your own privacy password. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, and the app lock does that you will need to type your password to access locked apps. So as you can see, currently I locked Chrome, and also I will do the same thing with the Google. So now when I will want to open up the Google, I need to verify with my fingerprint or use the privacy password. Just like that, and only then I have access and possibility to even open the app. Okay, we can also click on hide apps. Okay, and in here if you select one of the apps, they will completely disappear. You can also see it right in here. Hidden apps will not appear on the home screen, in the notification drawer, or in recent tasks. You can access hidden apps by entering the access code on the dial pad or by tapping the hide icons on the home screen. Apps marked invisible can be hidden as if they have been uninstalled. So currently I don't have any hidden apps, but just to show you how this works, I'm gonna select something, so it can be the Chrome. And now we want to, in the recent apps, find this one, hide apps. We need to type our password, and here as you can see we have our Chrome and also the private safe. And here also you can add apps manually from this point. Alright, also we have the private safe. We need to verify, and here we can add images and videos, audio, documents, or other files. Okay, also if you're interested in, you can download some third-party apps from the Play Store, for example, such as Avast, and those apps will help you to keep viruses out of your phone. But for now, let's also open up the phone management. In here we have viruses and risks. So let's click on that and let's perform a scan. Okay, now we need to wait until it's finished. It shouldn't take that long because I don't have that many apps. But from time to time it's good for you to perform this quick scan. Okay, we are at the level of 50%. Okay, and now 100. So for now we don't need to perform any action. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.